One day, frontier AI research used to be done by meat computers. That era is long gone. Research is now entirely the domain of autonomous swarms of AI agents. The code is now a self-modifying binary that has grown beyond human comprehension. This repo is the story of how it all began. That's not some sci-fi trailer. That's Andrei Karpathy's own words, straight from the README of AutoResearch, the thing he dropped in March 2026. He didn't cure the AI psychosis he confessed to in Part 1. He didn't step back into the cell. He automated past it. And what the Desert Fathers called the final, quiet victory of Acedia, Apatheia, he turned into a 6-step productivity religion. And he's selling it to every single one of us. 630 lines of Python. 1 NVIDIA GPU. You write a single markdown file called program.md. Plain English instructions. The agent reads it, rewrites train.py, runs a 5-minute experiment, checks if the model got better, keeps the change if it did, reverts if it didn't, and repeats. 12 experiments an hour, 100 while you sleep. Karpathy pointed it at a model he had hand-tuned for years. The agent found optimizations he'd missed for months, forgotten weight decay, wrong Adam betas. Toby Lütke, CEO of Shopify, ran it on a production internal model for 8 hours. 37 experiments, 19% performance jump on something his best engineers thought was already maxed out. And then it spread like wildfire. Marketing teams, CI pipelines, SQL queries, prompt engineering, SEO. If you can measure it, you can auto-research it. This isn't just a tool. This is the 6-step slide from Craftsman to Ghost. Step 1. You do the work. Your hands, your brain, your identity tied to every line. Step 2. You direct agents. The 80-20 flip Karpathy already admitted to. Step 3. You write instructions for agents. Just program.md now. Step 4. You go to sleep. The loop keeps running. You wake up to progress you didn't earn. Step 5. Agents start writing instructions for other agents. 35 agents, 333 experiments, 0 humans anywhere in the chain. Step 6. You become a witness without any of your own involvement. That's the roadmap, and it feels like freedom until it doesn't. Evagrius had a name for this final stage: Apatheia. There are 2 versions. The virtuous one, the one we talked about at the end of Part 1, is freedom from passions won through hypomone. You conquer the demon. You sit in the cell long enough that nothing can pull you out. Stillness from strength. The destructive one is what happens when Acedia wins and you never fight back. The self gets hollowed out so slowly you never notice the exact moment it leaves. You build a machine to sit in the cell for you. You step outside. You watch the results roll in. At first it feels like liberation. Then it just feels like nothing. Numbers going up. Agents running, you nowhere in it. Karpathy's README isn't a warning. It's a man describing destructive apatheia like it's the next product launch. So here's the question. Nobody's asking out loud. What do you actually do while the agents run? Not the LinkedIn answer. Not the "I'm focusing on high-level strategy" answer. The real one. Be honest with yourself right now. When the loop is spinning and the experiments are stacking, what are you doing? If the answer is open another tab, spin up another agent, check another leaderboard, that's not Apatheia. That's Acedia with better hardware. If the answer is I go deeper into the work only a human consciousness can do, then you're walking the virtuous path. But most of us, we're just refreshing. I'm not here to shame anyone. I've felt that hollowness too. I've watched the agents run and felt the strange relief of not having to be the one who decides. But the Desert Fathers didn't give us this map so we could lose ourselves in silicon. They gave it so we could choose. Virtuous apatheia, or destructive, or the slow exit from your own life. Drop in the comments right now, not what you tell yourself, but what you actually do while the agents run. If part 1 woke you up and this one hit even harder, smash like. Share it with the founder, the writer, the creator who's quietly disappearing into the swarm. Subscribe because we're not mapping hype. We're mapping the ancient code that's still running everything. The Noonday demon didn't disappear, it just got faster. Stay in the cell. I'll see you in part 3.